Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to open an Into the Inklands booster box to see if we can get an Enchanted. Let's see if we can get one. Oh. Not in that pack. Let's keep going. We'll do a handful of these packs today. Queen of Hearts foil. I'm really looking for the Chernabog, Robin Hood, Captain Hook. Any of those would be my chase cards. Oh, foil Stitch. Ooh, Jafar Legendary. Nice. So far in this booster box, we've gotten one Legendary. Let's see. Ooh, Sir Hiss. The Queen. Oh my God. I hit my chase card. Robin Hood. Oh. All right, guys, we're going to end it there today, and we're going to finish this booster box at a later time. Make sure you subscribe and like my videos for more.